Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Roblox Marketplace. We will begin by exploring the diverse range of items you can offer, from unique avatar accessories to engaging in-game experiences. Next, we will cover the essential requirements for becoming a successful creator on the platform. Finally, we will highlight the many advantages of sharing your creations with millions of users worldwide, turning your passion into potential earnings. Creating your items is the heart of selling on Roblox. You will primarily use Roblox Studio, often alongside third-party software like Blender, to craft your unique virtual goods. It is crucial to ensure your designs adhere to all platform guidelines and community standards. Always remember to rigorously test your creations within Roblox Studio to guarantee they function perfectly before you consider publishing them to the marketplace. Once your item is ready, the next step is listing and pricing it strategically. You will set a price in Robux, keeping in mind that Roblox takes a 30% commission from each sale. For example, if you sell an item for 100 Robux, you will receive 70 Robux. Effective promotion is also key to attracting buyers and ensuring your creations gain visibility among the vast selection available. After your items are on sale, you can track your sales and performance through the creator dashboard. Your earnings accumulate as Robux, which can then be exchanged for real-world currency through the Developer Exchange Program. Currently, 100,000 Robux can be exchanged for $380. This process allows creators to turn their virtual success into tangible income, supporting further creative endeavors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.